If you've ever wished your team had a single, organized place for all your important knowledge, processes, policies, even helpful onboarding notes, you're going to love today's tutorial. In this video, I'll walk you through step by step exactly how to create a wiki page for your team using ClickUp. By the end, you'll have a workspace your whole team will thank you for because everyone will know where to find and update the information that matters most. So let's dive in and get this wiki built. First, we want to save time, so when you're in your ClickUp home, look over on the left sidebar for your team space. It's kind of like your digital headquarters in ClickUp. Hover your mouse over your team space. This will reveal a few extra options. You'll notice 3 dots appear. Think of these as your magic More Options button. Give them a click and from the drop-down menu, select Template. This is where ClickUp shines because using templates lets you avoid starting from scratch every time you want to build something new. Next, click Browse Template. This opens up a whole gallery where you can see lots of different pre-made templates, which have been designed to save you hours of setup. In the search bar, type Wiki. You'll see some template options pop up. These are layouts already designed for wiki-style documentation. Take a moment to look through them. Some might be geared towards internal guides, others for project documentation. Once you find a template that fits your needs, go ahead and click Use Template. Now, here's an important part. You'll be prompted to name your new wiki page. So think about what your team will recognize and what makes sense for future searches. Something like Operations Wiki or Team Onboarding Knowledge Base creates instant clarity. Enter your name and then you'll see the whole wiki template on your screen, ready for you to customize. You can start editing right away, update the sections, add any categories your team actually uses, and tailor the content so it reflects your team's processes and terminology. For example, maybe your team has a unique way of handling client communication. Don't be shy, put those real-life examples in so newcomers aren't left guessing. If you ever feel overwhelmed by how many possibilities there are to customize, just remember you don't have to do it all in one go. Build your wiki piece by piece, focusing first on the most essential info. Once you're happy with your edits, click Use Template again and the wiki will officially become part of your team space. If you realize you want to update the name, maybe to make it even more specific, or if you catch a detail that needs fixing, just go ahead and rename or edit. It's super flexible. A tip here, whenever you update a process or add new information, always refresh the wiki so it stays up to date. It can be easy to forget, but having outdated info can lead to confusion, so maybe set yourself a calendar reminder to review the wiki regularly. Another tip, encourage your team to contribute. Wikis work best when everyone feels confident to add their knowledge or correct something that's unclear. You could even assign a rotating wiki champion to check for accuracy each month. And remember, don't worry if the initial setup takes a few moments. Customizing your wiki is an investment. The more time you spend tailoring it now, the more useful it becomes down the road. That's it. You've just set up a team wiki in ClickUp and taken a major step towards organized, accessible knowledge sharing. If this video helped you out, hit the like button and let me know in the comments if you have questions or if you want to see tutorials on other ClickUp features. Don't forget to subscribe for more clear step-by-step guides. See you in the next one.